Here we have the new HTC One range, and we have the One X, the One S and One V. So starting with the flagship device, which is One X, which is this device here. So what we've been talking about with our devices is that across the board you get the same experience. So we have devices that would have the same experience but would captivate a much larger audience. So on this phone here, we have 4.7-inch screen. It's 720p resolution. It's got 8 megapixel camera and 32 gig of online storage. But the main features kind of on the phone. So last year, over 45 million photographs were uploaded from mobile devices to the likes of social networks like Facebook. So we've really improved the camera experience. The camera's 8 megapixel, but it's not all about that. So we've got a lens, it's f2.0, which takes in a lot more light into the camera lens. It's a wide angle lens as well. So on the device, if you press the camera button, it takes a really fast shot. What we've got on here, we've got an extra processing chip, so we've got an image chip, which improves everything on the device really when it comes to imaging. So what it does is when you take a picture, it goes through the image chip, it's saved as a raw image on there, but then it's processed and compressed into a JPEG file, which is a lot better process. So the pictures on this, not only has got industry leading optics, so the lens f2.0 is industry leading, it also has this new chip, so it's this image chip, which really improves the photographs. If you take a photograph, it takes it in 0.7 of a second. What I'm after doing it there, if I press and hold the camera button, every 0.3 of a second it takes a different shot. So you can choose, this is burst mode, and you can choose whatever one you want. But then we have software on here, so if you, this will take software, and the phone will decide what the best picture was for you. So that shows this picture, but you can manually select what one you want. We also have that integrated with Dropbox, so in the phone we have Dropbox integrated. When you sign into Dropbox on any of our One range, you get 25 gigs of online storage. So on there I have my phone connected that I automatically upload my pictures to Dropbox, so I have them on my computer then as well. Okay. Which is a really, really good feature. So we have cloud storage, 32 gigs online. You can then take them off to your device and just have them viewed on through cloud storage. So 25 gigs is over 10,000 high quality images on the device. Also, the devices are really thin, so we have design as a key feature of our device. On this phone, it's made of polycarbonate, so it's a unibody. But what it has is we've got other features in here. So we've got micro drilled holes in the top and in the bottom. So this is your audio output and your speaker. So on this device, then some of the devices would have, say, you have two pieces, so it have a kind of a mesh and it have bolted on. So on this device is one piece. So over time it might not happen first, but it might be 6 months down the line. It might try to vibrate, and that will cause distortion in audio. So on this you're not going to get that. It's going to look well, and it's made of really tough durable materials, and it's going to last as well with, say, quality wise for audio, things like that. We also improved Beats, so on our phones you will see Beats audio. When you start them up, you'll see Beats as well. So in our phones we have Beats integrated deeper into it. So in here is the music hub. Now it's not only for your music you have stored on the device. Just go back in there. It's also got any application that you have on the device. To do with music, it's stored in here, so you can just go straight into online radio. You can go to SoundHound if you want to check out what song it is. So it's all integrated into one place, which is really, really good. But what we have as well is for third-party apps, for, say, YouTube, web browsing. If you click on play a video in it, you get Beats audio profile output as well. So the audio experience is a lot better throughout the whole phone. So once you have your headphones in here, you get the Beats audio when you're playing music on your device, online radio, and then YouTube app, or else, you know, streaming videos over the internet, stuff like that. So it's all improved on the device, which is really, really cool. Going on from that as well, this is the S. So this is still a flagship device from us. It's got a Qualcomm S4, new Qualcomm S4 chip, so it's dual core 1.5 gig. It's got a QHD Super AMOLED display. It's also made of aluminium this time. So this version here, it's kind of it first off in mobile. So we have a kind of a gradient effect, and that's not just paint, that's made by in an acid bath. It's released out at a different speed, so to give it a gradient effect. It's kind of a first for anybody, first for HTC. We also have another version of it, so it's the same phone basically, but it's made out of aluminium still, but it's put through a different process. This process basically electrocutes the aluminium. The point of contact on it is hotter than the surface of the sun. So what that does is turn it into a kind of a ceramic-like material. It feels soft, but it's really strong. It's actually 4 times stronger than aluminium would have been. So it makes it really, really strong material to use in your device, and it looks really cool as well. So that's the other kind of version of it. Apart from that, it's the exact same phone. So here, same features. So with the one series, the one family, it's the same features throughout. So I mean, in here, I've got the same camera features, loads of the same, takes a picture, exact same speed. If you press and hold, it'll take multiple shots also. You can play it, you can record video as well as take still shots. And then Dropbox integration, everything there. Also little things which I really like. So I mean, in here, we've got HDR mode, you got panoramic mode, and then you can go to portrait mode, which kind of, if I take a portrait shot, so I've got a kind of a freckly hand, but if I take a shot on portrait, what it will do is kind of improve the image. So it's kind of like airbrushing on my phone, which is good. I'll deal with that, yeah, that's what I look like. And so that's basically both phones. Then going on from that, there's kind of connectivity we have. So this phone here, Wi-Fi is the best. So this is connected up. This is your new wireless Media Link HD dongle. So this is connected into the back of your TV. So this can be powered by USB. So most TVs now would have a USB port that would power the device. Then HDMI would connect in to your device. So this is connected up and to my device, so I should be able to go in and set it there. Just at the moment in here with Wi-Fi, there's a lot of people on it and it's a lot of internet. But what should happen is it mirrors, Wi-Fi is after disconnecting now, so it's not going to work this time. But so you can start. There's a gesture swipe, so anything you're doing on your phone, once you have this on, you see up the top here that you can connect. So what I should be able to do now is the 3-finger gesture swipe. So this should now connect. Go into my phone into landscape mode because that's what my TV is, and then you can work in the mirror. Not that now, but you can work in the mirror, whatever you have on your device. So I could be watching a movie. I could be, going to my gallery and try this again one more time and see can this new video work. Alright, I'll take the phone. Yeah, that'll work. So yeah, it's just gonna mirror whatever's on the device to my TV, and then to disconnect, it's the 3-finger swipe down and it takes it off the screen. So I mean, it's really cool technology.
Is this shipped with this, or can I?
It's going to be separate. It's going to be separate. Not sure about costs or anything like that. But
any words about costs, or
not too sure?
Okay,
no.
You just said.
So I mean, yeah, that's not being finalised, but it's just, to show the technology side that we have going forward for connectivity and stuff. This is really, really cool, and it's something that I would definitely use.
Which phone is this?
So this is 1X. 1X comes in the kind of grey colour and also in white, and then the S does come in black.
Cool.
Yeah, that's.
So thank you.
No problem.
Could you just a second?